Just see the beauty of these water flowing, a stream of water flowing over here. It's a small bridge constructed in the park, and the water is flowing under the bridge. Just going over to the other side, see the view of the small bridge inside the park, and the water passing under the bridge to the other side and filling the pond. It is so natural, so beautiful. I've been longing to be in this place, and it's a dream come true for me being here. Lovely. Look at the lush greenery everywhere. Excellent ecology, beautiful biodiversity over here, unpolluted and contaminated atmosphere, full of life. It looks like a massive zoological park with absolute fauna and flora, excellent fauna and flora over here.